We are going to solve a NET June 2011 problem on quantum mechanics. If the perturbation h dash is equal to ax, where a is a constant, is added to an infinite square well potential v of x, which is 0 from x values 0 to pi and infinite otherwise, the correction to the ground state energy to the first order in A is. For a asymmetric infinite potential well, the energy of the nth state is given by n square pi square h cross square upon 2m width square, and the wave function is given by root 2 by width sine n pi x by width. Now here width is the width of the potential well, that is from 0 to pi, so that is obviously pi. So we can write energy En will be equal to n square pi square h cross square upon 2m, width square will be pi squared, pi square and pi square cancels, psi n will be equal to root 2 by pi sine n pi x by width, which is again pi, pi and pi again cancels. We need ground state term, always n is equal to 1 for infinite potential well, so this will be equal to 1 h cross square upon 2m, and wave function psi will be equal to root 2 by pi, we can call this as 1, root 2 by pi sine x, because n is 1, so we have only sine x. Now the first order correction to energy E1 is given by what? Is given by n E n h dash. H dash is the perturbation into n. This is n means what? Ground state. Ground state here will be psi 1. So we'll have psi 1 h dash psi 1. Okay, let's solve this. This I can write as integration 0 to pi psi 1 root 2 pi pi sine x into h dash, that is alpha x, into psi 1 again root 2 by pi sine x dx. This will be 2 by pi root 2 by pi root 2 by 2 by pi alpha sine x into sine x will be sine squared x into x dx from 0 to pi. We have to solve this integration x sine squared x dx. Okay, this sine squared x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So I'll write here 2 alpha by pi integration 0 to pi x by 2 minus x cos 2x by 2 dx. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. We'll have alpha by pi x integration will be x squared by 2 from 0 to pi minus integration x cos 2x from 0 to pi dx, and this is common. Try pausing the video, try to pause the video and do this integration on your own. This will help you get some confidence. This will be alpha by pi squared by 2 minus, now what is this, x as it is, integration of cos 2x is minus sine 2x by 2 from 0 to pi minus integration 0 to pi dy dx of x is 1 into minus sine 2x by 2 dx, and this is entire. So solving this, this will be alpha upon pi squared by 2 minus x, this x sine 2x by 0 to pi, this term will be equal to 0, and that is integration minus sine 2x by 2, that also this term will also be equal to 0, because integration of sine will give us cos cos 2 pi will be plus 1, minus cos 0 is also 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0, so this term and this term is 0. We'll have only this left, so that will be pi and pi will get cancelled. We'll have here alpha pi by 2. That is our option, first one.